Hey everyone, I'm Steve, and today we're going to check out this all-in-one fun selfie shooter. That's what it says. The cool thing, it has auto face tracking on a tripod. Let's check it out. So I actually spared you the unboxing. This is everything that comes in the box. So here is everything that comes with this tripod. You get your power cord, some information, paperwork, and of course the tripod itself. Let me try to give you a close look at this tripod. I'm excited for what I think it's going to be able to do. We're going to test everything. But have a tripod and have it automatically track your face, I think is a wonderful thing for content creators. Okay, the first thing that I want to do is go ahead and get it charged. I've got it plugged in, and a flashing red light indicates that it is charging up. Now here's a cool little feature I like. It comes with this LED light, so press and hold the power button to power it on. I'll tell you what, I don't know how much the camera will do it justice, but it's very bright. So you can adjust the intensity with the other button. That's super bright right there. You can also change the colors. Simply cycle through and change the colors. So I'm going to press to hold to turn it off. And also note that it comes out. So you can actually stick it to something magnetic and use this light in other ways. The holder for the phone will spin, and this entire assembly will articulate, so you can get all kind of different angles that you're looking for. Of course, it has a tightener screw right there. Get it the way you want it, tighten it. Very flexible, especially if you're trying to get some tabletop shots, things like that. And when you have your phone locked in, if you hit the power button right here, try to get my fingers out of the way, this will lock in. So now it's locked. It will not change directions. It will not spin and articulate. Take the power off, and you can adjust your phone, or your camera that is, however you like. You place your phone right through there. You can just slide it in and lock it in, or it also has the extension. You can pull it out and slide your phone in. So it gives you two different ways to mount your phone. The bottom grip will extend out and create the tripod legs, and then they simply squeeze back in. Now that forms the selfie grip, if that's the way you want to use the tripod. And of course, it extends out to about, I believe, 59 inches. So that is a great feature. You can stand it up and use it as a standing tripod as well. Of course, you can use this as a selfie stick, or you can use it as a full-blown adjustable tripod. Okay, here's an example of the tripod with the AI face detection working as I move around. It's locked in on my face. So now that, for me, is going to work out well when I need to stand and talk and maybe demonstrate a product or whatever, to know that my phone is going to accurately follow me. That is too cool. All right, let's test how far away I can move from this tripod and have it still accurately track me. So right here, I'm about 6 feet away. I'm going to move around a little bit. It's doing a good job. All right, I'm going to back up. Now I'm about 10 feet away. It's doing a good job. It's still tracking me. All right, I'm going to go back to about 15 feet. Man, that is pretty dang awesome. It is following me, and I am an easy 15, 16 feet away. All right, that's very good. Excellent. Good job there, tripod. Now, one thing I haven't mentioned yet is The tripod comes with a little remote control, and it actually has a spot to fit it on the tripod pole so you won't lose it. Now you do have to pair this little remote up with your Bluetooth on your phone, but right there, that will control your record and stop. So you can be far away like I was and turn your camera on or off. Let me give you a quick lesson on how to activate this AI face tracker. Right there, there's a lens right there in the middle. That is the face tracker. This white button is the power button. So you're going to long press the power button. It's going to turn on. Now that gives power to the gimbal. And now to activate, make sure you have your camera facing someone so it can detect the face, and just quick press. It'll turn green, and now you are in the activation mode. So I can actually move around. See, I don't even have a camera, and you can see it. It's following my face. How cool is that? So there you go right there. That is a very awesome feature for this tripod. So I've got to say, I'm pretty impressed with this little tripod with the gimbal that follows you around for the money. I tell you what, it's economic, and I think it's going to help anyone. If you are creating content especially, I think it's going to help. And I'm going to give it a thumbs up. I like it, and I definitely plan to start using it. So I'm Steve. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time.